The Hubble telescope, a legendary tool for space exploration, is facing a growing challenge: photobombing satellites. This issue is not just an annoyance but a serious threat to our ability to explore the cosmos. A recent study by NASA researchers, published in Nature, reveals a startling statistic: satellite trails could ruin up to 96% of images taken by certain telescopes over the next decade. This interference jeopardizes our capacity to detect asteroids and discover new planets. The problem is twofold: the sheer number of satellites and their reflective nature. As more satellites launch, the view from telescopes like Hubble becomes increasingly cluttered. These satellites reflect light from celestial bodies, creating a pollution of sorts that obscures the very details scientists seek to capture. "We found something that may actually be worse in the future," says Alejandro Borlaf, a NASA research scientist and lead author of the study. The scale of the issue is indeed astounding. Cheaper launch costs and the proliferation of telecommunications satellites have led to a rapid increase in the number of satellites orbiting Earth. From 5,000 in 2019, we now have over 15,800, with plans for up to 560,000 more in the next decade. Simulations show that the Hubble telescope could capture an average of 2.14 satellites per exposure after these launches. The Chinese space station telescope Xuntian, expected to launch next year, could see an average of 92 satellites per exposure. But it's not just about the number of satellites. Their reflective nature poses a unique challenge. As Borlaf explains, the light they reflect can obscure details in images, potentially hiding exoplanets or other celestial phenomena. "You will lose that information because a satellite passed in front of you," he says. The solution is not simple. Efforts to design darker satellites have led to new problems, as they tend to get hotter and emit more infrared light. Researchers are also strategizing to take images at times and locations less likely to be crossed by satellites, but this becomes increasingly difficult as space gets more crowded. There has to be an optimal way to place constellations and space telescopes, so we can coexist in a sustainable way, Borlaf emphasizes. The time to find solutions is now, before the skies become even more crowded. This issue highlights the need for coordination between space agencies, governments, and companies to ensure a sustainable future for space exploration.